Hi, I'm Ginger Grant. You may know me from my blog at Desert Isle SQL, or maybe you've attended one of my online training courses at Data Camp, or perhaps we've met at one of the technical presentations I've given in the past, back when people met in person, maybe at a previous PaaS summit. This year, everyone is working from virtual offices. I'm going to fix mine up a bit so I can show you what's going on in my precon and Azure Synapse. On November 10th, I want to introduce you to a product which just might change the way you work with data in your environment, Azure Synapse. This unique, powerful product, which was introduced by Microsoft in November of 2019, adds a myriad of different capabilities under one unified environment. Data scientists, data engineers, cloud architects, data developers, visualization specialists, DBAs, and security professionals all have a broad spectrum of requirements for how data should be stored and secured in order to meet the needs of their organizations. Azure Synapse contains a unified set of development tools to produce meaning from data. Azure Synapse includes the ability to rapidly handle big data, implement machine learning, orchestrate data processing pipelines, explore data-defined treasures, easily develop solutions in Scala, Python, R, or .NET using notebooks, seamlessly interface with Databricks, or take advantage of Spark compute capabilities almost effortlessly, gain greater insight with data using Power BI visualizations, and implement granular data security. Unfortunately, you cannot use it to make thousands of Julian fries or remove those difficult hardwater data stains. Instead of focusing on those shortcomings, we will be discussing how one might endeavor to minimize Azure spend by more efficiently managing Synapse resources. There is a lot to cover, and due to the time constraints of this promotional video, I cannot review everything discussed in this course. It will take the entire precon to be able to explain all there is to master. We will be examining Synapse in a collaborative environment. Mastering everything Synapse can do can be daunting, with ample time set aside to engage in extended question and answer sessions. As Confucius observed, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that single step by signing up for my precon on Azure Synapse on the PaaS Virtual Summit 2020 registration page from wherever you happen to be. Sign up as part of the PaaS Virtual Summit 2020 under precons using the link listed here. You can also just use your browser to search for PaaS Summit 2020. I look forward to speaking with you there.